Hmm? Oh, hey, you're back. How was your day? Hmm? Long. Yeah, you look tired. Do you want me to get you something? Water, food, or are you doing that thing where you say you're fine and then forget to eat for 6 hours? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I thought so. Okay, sit down and I'll grab you something in a minute. Wait, hold on. Come here for a second. You smell different. No, not bad, but just very other cat like. Were you with someone? No. I promise I'm not accusing you of anything. I just asked. Uh huh. Yeah, I know you were out. Obviously, you were around people. But that's not. Never mind. Forget I even tried to say anything. I'll get you your water. And here you go. Hmm? What's that look for? Nothing is wrong. I'm fine. I said I'm fine. Okay. Obviously, I'm not fine. Happy? No, I'm not mad. At least not at you. I don't think I am. This is so stupid. Do I have to, explain it to you in, a very obvious. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, because you don't think. Okay. You smell like another cat. There, I said it. Yeah, another cat. Not perfume, not soap, not the outside, like the last few times you've gone on your little dates. You smell like another cat. And I know what another cat smells like, so don't think that I'm wrong. I don't care about who? Actually, no, I do. No, wait, that sounds worse, but I need to know if you're hanging out with another boy cat. Listen, let's just talk for a second without you making that face like I'm about to start an argument, because I'm not. I really don't want to. I just noticed something that is off about you. I tried my best not to notice it, um, but it's kind of very obvious. So my brain is turning that little thing that was very minor, like the time you forgot to give me snack at 10 o'clock like you always do, into something a huge big deal where I will be scratching at your door and meowing in your ear while you sleep until you know to tell me. So tell me, who was it? Your friend, the one from class. Oh, wow. Thanks. That's so helpful. Oh, the one you've mentioned. Okay. Oh, okay. See, now it's starting to click. You never told me they had a cat. Uh, no, you're okay to have friends. You're allowed to hang out with other people, and you're allowed to. You're allowed to pet other cats. It's not even really about them. I don't even know them. They could be the nicest person on earth. It's just, I feel like, when you come home smelling another cat and sort of been neglecting me with all this work stuff that you always claim to be doing, right? It makes me feel like I'm not good enough. And it makes me mad when you come home and you smell like another cat. I sit here, I comfort you, I tell you how much I love you, even if I don't outright say it, and I ignore you. But I still love you. I do my best to make sure that you are okay. You're always fed, even when you forget to eat. Always drinking something other than your white monster and your Red Bull. Because you need water. I mean, I don't drink that all the time. But, I drink a lot of water. Um, hmm? No, you don't need to apologize. I'm not saying you did anything wrong. I get you've just been busy with school, work, friends, and whatever else you have going on. And I know that you have a life outside of the apartment and outside of me. I'm not stupid. But it it feels, it's kind of obvious. It doesn't just feel, it's obvious. You're spending time away from me. I guess, yeah, I'm independent. I can do what I want, but when you're busy and you're doing other things, I get lonely without you. Including after what I feel like I've been neglected, and then you walk in today smelling like another cat. It's just, I don't know. It made everything feel more real, like I'm not doing enough. Like, maybe there's this whole part of your life that I'm not really in anymore. And I thought that we were a duo, you know? We are like partners. I take care of you, you take care of me, you say that you love me, you give me pets, I sit down out of reach, I kind of ignore you sometimes. Like, that's a good duo right there. But then it stops and you leave. I know it's not your job to take care of me, but It hurts sometimes. You remember when we first started living together? You were around constantly, and it got so annoying. I'd wake up and you'd be there. I'd come back from something out of some hidden spot in the house that you have no clue exists, and you'd be there. I sit down for 5 seconds, and suddenly you'll be talking to me about something 3 hours ago. And yeah, I complained about it all the time. I called you clingy multiple times. And I know you've been gone more often, and apparently I hate that too. Maybe I'm just impossible. No, I know that's not what you meant. I just got used to you being there. That's all. I got used to the routine, your footsteps, the way you throw your bag down in the exact same place every day. That stupid noise you make when you open the fridge and realize there's nothing you want. You do make that noise. So when it changed, I noticed I didn't say anything because I didn't want to be that cat. The cat who makes you feel guilty for having other people in your life. That cat who gets jealous every time you go somewhere without him. The cat who makes you choose. I don't want to be that. And I know this looks bad. I smell another cat. I get jealous. Real original. But that's not what this is. It's not that you've touched someone else. It's not even really the scent. It's just hit something that was already there. Something I've been ignoring being gone. I'll just say it. I'll just say it because sometimes it's not obvious. Uh, I, I, mm, I, mm, I miss you. That was so much more embarrassing and difficult than I would like it to be. I miss you, and you live 10 feet away from me. There. How stupid is that? You don't need to apologize for being busy. I just want to let you know how I feel. I'm not asking you to stop seeing other people. I'm not asking you to spend every second you have with me. I just want you to know and to see if you notice the distance and are willing to change that for me. Because I miss you. And I love having you around. And I'm sorry for being all jealous. I'm trying my hardest. So please, will you sort of rearrange your schedule or do what you can to be around me more often?